Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, as you can see, I was telling you guys about this farm. It's a beautiful farm. We have some pepper here and we have some over there. Time is very dry and hot, and as you can see, the plants are looking green and lovely. Yes, I look here, my people. Oh my God. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, you know, how me loving you so. Trust me, man. Yo, thank each and every one who make Jamaican farmers hut. Jamaican farmers hut. You know what I mean? Love the vine just big. Yes, aya. But this is the yellow pepper. Very delicate, afraid of water. You know what I mean? You can't give it too much water. For scotch bonnet, don't it? Yes, my viewers. It's all about scotch bonnet. I want to put Jamaican farmers hut on top. So big up all I know. The butt file, big up yourself. Yard food. My God, Sister Trev. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up everybody. M&G. Whoa, amazing M&G. For real. Altia, Karen. Big up on yourself. Whole heap of love and respect to the high them. Saying, yeah, I'm here on a plantation and trust me, my viewers. This plantation is a wonderful plantation. You don't want to see what's going on here. But anyway, stick and stay. The bud files. Big up yourself. Blistering. Big up yourself. You don't know. It's all about Jamaican farmers hut. It's all about plant something. You know what I mean? Anyway, stick and stay. Don't go away. And trust me, my viewers, I'm going to put a link right here to show you the first time I come on this farm. There's a link here. You can watch the first time I come here.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. And don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? It's a very beautiful plantation, my viewers. Stick and stay. I'm going to show you everything what's going on. I will be right back. We have some over there, as you can see. It's all about pepper. But there's a lot of more things here, so just stick and stay on the channel. You will see everything what's going on. Yeah, man. Right now, I have Mikey here with me, you know, Mr. Livingston. Yeah, man, and trust me. Yeah, man, this one is the original farmer, you know. Yeah, man. And this plantation. Yeah. Yes, for real, man. So Mikey, you keep all these things nice and pretty? Yeah, man. Oh, you mean, man? You put in all the work, you and your co-workers? Yeah. Yeah, man, for real, man. You mean, man? Cheer you up together, you know? Yeah, for real. For real. How you mean, man? For real. I love it. Hey, pepper them pretty, man. Yeah, man. Jano. The viewers, look on the pepper them. The pepper them nice, beautiful, fat and round. Not even English pound. My God. Trust me. I love to see the pepper them, man.
You see, now them time I know, you know, rainfall, time
yeah.
dry.
Yeah.
But still we have
plant like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's true. Yeah, man, that's true.
Because couple, give them no water by 2-3 day time. You see them start dry up. Because no rain and fall.
Then gone down the line.
No substance. What you call, you understand?
Yeah.
So right now,
no nutrients.
We are draw water from a tank.
Yeah.
To another tank.
Right.
From 2 wheels.
Yeah.
Drive it. And we come, we run the headline, we pump the water out of the tank and pump it through the irrigation.
Okay, me understand.
So that's the reason why we have the pepper so pretty, because we pump the water out of the tank, pump it back from the pepper.
Yes, me understand. So you guys pumping it from a tank to a 2-wheel tank to the irrigation. Right. My God. You hear that, my viewers?
It's a lot of work.
Yes, man. That is the reason why the farm looks so green and pretty.
Right.
Yeah, man, for real, Jamaican, for real, I love it. Love it, yeah. All these are hot pepper?
Yeah, hot pepper.
Yeah, as you can see, they leave them big, eh?
Yeah,
man.
My...
Yeah, scotch bonnet. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, the scotch bonnet pepper. I love how them grow. Jano, so I love how them grow. Yes, yeah. Love how them grow, Rasta. Trust me.
Whoa.
Okay, lately plant them out.
Yeah, man. the boss buy some plastic.
Yeah, the mulch, plastic.
Yeah. But him buy the wrong one.
Okay.
Through the hot time, you know,
Yes.
you can't use that because better use the white one.
Oh yes, because the black going to jar the heat and the time is very hot.
Right, so when you plant the pepper, you have to spray it because anyway the pepper touch the plastic,
Yeah.
it burn it
It
up.
go burn. Okay. Me understand. I understand what's going on.
You have a problem with the plastic, that's
Yeah, man.
understand them pepper, the pepper them get too hard.
Yeah.
Because you when a planting going plastic,
Okay, me understand. So I wait.
then I wait to get the plastic. So time catch up on it.
Yeah.
So anyway, some of them go dead still, but you know find out a lot of them now go dead.
Yeah, most of them will catch.
Yeah, so we see back some sitting in the nursery.
Yeah.
We have come back through.
For real,
and
man.
catch back the dead
Oh
one.
yeah, and catching back them one they were drop out.
The plastic good, you know, but not as I say, at the wrong plastic.
Yeah, the time to what?
Time to what for this plastic.
For the black plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
White one are better.
Yeah, man, the white one are better.
Yeah.
Draw less heat because time is very hot now.
Yeah.
My
But
God.
you can see from last week till now, pepper still turn out. So
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
that is,
Yeah, man.
things go on. One and two of them are dead still, but we have to expect that.
Yeah, the burn.
Yeah, we have to expect that.
So, you guys gonna plant pepper all the way?
All the way.
My God, you hear that, my viewers, all the way is pepper. Yeah, man, for real, man. For
What we
real.
are going to do now, we know better say, yeah, dealing no more plastic. We switch it back over here. So
Okay, me understand.
plant it on the dirt.
Yeah. Oh,
Plastic again.
no, but I got the plastic.
No.
Okay. I understand what's going on here.
We have a man come here today.
Yeah.
The bigger expert than about farming.
Yeah.
Come here today so them give you an idea.
Okay.
So we have to work with the idea there
Yeah.
and see what can go on.
For real, for real.
Yeah, because I must say, if we bed the place and him tell you about a spray. You say if you buy the spray and spray the land,
Yeah.
then it take a long time for the grass
Go back.
start grow back. So by them time the pepper will catch off good.
Yeah,
and it's
yeah.
germinate.
Me understand.
So, yes, so now we plant, yes, so now we don't plant it with no plastic.
Mm-hmm.
We just plant it in a dirt like how we do a piece of back of here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Got this piece here pretty, you know?
Yeah.
My God, it's pretty like money. Yes, I.
But this piece now I make you feel up, so just last week we planted.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
you know, catch
Beautiful, yet just like that.
like that one there.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. So, give couple weeks.
Yeah, we are rough on it.
Yeah, man, and it gone.
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Because we can't see when no water in the road.
Yeah, man, the was flat out.
Now the breeze blow it off of the dirt.
Oh, it blow it off.
Yeah, so
Can't forget some stick and drum
when we pump the water now, we have to walk back through
and put them back over.
and put them back over.
Yeah, me understand.
Because it was them light when no water in them.
Yeah, man, that's true. True. Yeah, man, me know say the irrigation was them light without water.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to stick some stick to back it up.
Back them.
Yeah, man. That don't come off.
I was going to say a whole heap of work, so we have to just check the time and earth. We are earth to this.
Yes.
Earth to this ready for the farm.
You got some, man. You got some, man. Well, beautiful work I go on, cause trust me. Yeah, the farm nice. The farm green. Yeah, man. Farm have no water problem, you don't know.
Right now, some water, as you can see the chapter over there.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Water we are pumping, you know. But
Yeah.
the tank, you can pump it on them now.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I pump from a tank to a two-wheel tank to the irrigation. Yes, my viewers. So it go when it comes to farming, we have to put in the work. You know what I mean? Alright, my viewers, I'm going to show you the tank and the two-wheel tank, yeah? How them pump the water from that tank to the two-wheel tank and then to the irrigation. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers, you don't know. Anyway, stick and stay, my viewers. I will be right back. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, as you can see, I was telling you guys about this farm. It's a beautiful farm. We have some pepper here and we have some over there, as you can see. It's all about pepper. But there's a lot of more things here, so just stick and stay on the channel. You will see everything what's going on. Yeah, man. Right now, I have Mikey here with me, you know, Mr. Livingston. Yeah, man, and trust me. Yeah, man, this one is the original farmer, you know.
Yeah, man.
And this plantation.
Yeah.
Yes, for real, man. So,
Yeah.
So Mike, you keep all these things nice and pretty.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean, man? You put in all the work, you and your co-workers.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, for real, man. You mean, man?
Cheer you up together, you know?
Yeah, for real. For real. How you mean, man? For real. I love it. Hey, pepper them pretty, man.
Yeah, man.
Jano. The viewers, look on the pepper them. The pepper them nice, beautiful, fat and round. Not even English pound. My God. Trust me. I love to see the pepper them, man.
No, you see, in the time, you know, rainfall, time
Yeah.
dry.
Yeah.
But still we have
Plant like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's true.
Skill.
Yeah, man, that's true.
Because couple, if you give them no water by 2-3 days time, you see them start dry up. Because no rain and fall.
Then gone down the line.
No substance, what you call it. You understand?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
right now,
No
we draw
nutrients.
water, we draw water from a tank
Yeah.
to another tank,
Right.
on 2 wheel,
Yeah?
drive it, and we try come, we run with headline, we pump the water out of the tank and pump it through the irrigation.
Okay, me
So
understand.
that's the reason why we have the pepper so pretty, because we pump the water out of tank, pump it back on the pepper.
Yes, me understand. So you guys pumping it from a tank
Yeah.
to a 2-wheel tank
Yeah.
to the irrigation.
Right.
My God. You hear that, my viewers?
It's a lot of work.
Yes, man. That
Yeah.
is the reason why the farm looks so green and pretty.
Right.
Yeah, man, for real, them Jamaican, for real. I love it. Love it, yeah. All these are hot pepper?
Yeah, hot pepper.
Yeah, as you can see, the leaf them big, eh? My, yes, scotch bonnet. Yes, my viewers, the scotch bonnet pepper. I love how them are grow. Jano, so I love how them are grow. Yes, I love how them are grow, Rasta. Trust me. Okay, lately plant them out.
Yeah, but the boss buy some plastic.
Yeah, the mulch, plastic.
Yeah, but he buy the wrong one.
Okay.
Through the hot time, you know,
Yes.
you can't use that, the plastic. You better use the white one.
Oh yes, because the black going to jar the heat and the
Right.
time is very hot.
Alright, so when you plant the pepper, you have to skill, because anyway the pepper touch the plastic,
Yeah,
it burn it
that
up.
go burn. Okay, me understand. I understand what's going on.
You have a problem with the plastic,
Yeah, man.
understand? Them pepper, the pepper them don't get too hard.
Yeah.
Because when a plant thing going plastic,
Okay, me understand. So I wait.
them a wait so you get the plastic. So time catch up on it.
Yeah.
So anyway, some of them go dead still, but you know, find out a lot of them now go dead.
Yeah, most of them will catch.
Yeah, so we see back some sitting there nursery.
Yeah.
We come back through.
For real,
and
man.
catch back again.
Oh yeah, and catching back them one
The
where drop
plastic,
out.
the plastic good, you know, but not, as I say, at the wrong plastic.
Yeah, the time to what?
Time to watch this plastic.
For the black plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
White one are better.
Yeah, man, the white one are better.
Yeah.
Draw less heat because time is very hot now.
Yeah.
My
But as you
God.
can see from last week till now, pepper still turn up. So
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
One and two of them are dead still, but we have to expect that.
Yeah, the burn.
Yeah, we have to expect that.
So, you guys gonna plant pepper all the way?
All the way.
My God, you hear that, my viewers, all the way is pepper. Yeah, man, for real, man. For
So what we
real.
have to do now, we no bother say we are doing no more plastic. We pick it back over here so now.
Okay, me understand.
Plant it on the dirt.
Yeah. Oh,
Plastic again.
but I got the plastic.
No.
Okay. I understand what's going on here.
We have a man come here today.
Yeah.
The bigger expert them about farming.
Yeah.
Come here today so they give you an idea.
Okay.
So we have to work with the idea there
Yeah.
and see what can go on.
For real, for real.
Yeah, because I must say, if we bed the place and him tell you about a spray, he say if you buy the spray and spray the land,
Yeah.
then it take a long time for the grass
Grow back.
start grow back. So by them time the pepper will catch off good.
Yeah, yeah,
and them
yeah.
thing.
Me understand.
So, years so now we plant, years so now we don't plant it with no plastic.
Mm-hmm.
We just plant it in a dirt like how we do a piece down back of here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Got this piece here pretty, you know?
Yeah.
My God, it's pretty like money. Yes, I
This piece now I make you feel look. So just last week we planted.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
you know, catch
Beautiful, yet just like that.
like that one there.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. So, give couple weeks.
Yeah, we are work on it.
Yeah, man, and it's gone.
Yeah.
Yes, I
Because you can't see when no water in the road.
Yeah man, the hose flat out.
No, blow it off of the tape.
Oh, blow it off.
Yeah.
You have to get some stick and drum
When you pump the water now, you have to walk back to
and put them back over.
put them back over.
You me understand?
Because the hose them light when no water now in them.
Yeah man, that's true. True. Yeah man, me know say the irrigation hose them light without water.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to stick some stick to back it up.
Back them.
Yeah man. You know, come out.
I think they are only for work, so we have to just take the time and just carry our earth with this.
Because-
Earth with this daily on the corner.
You go some man.
So,
You go some man. Well, beautiful work I go on, cause trust me. Yeah, the farm nice. The farm green.
yeah.
Yeah man. Farm have no water problem, you don't know.
Right now, some water, as you can see the chapter over there.
Yeah. Yeah man.
Water we are pump, you know, out
Yeah.
of the tank. We can pump it on them now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah man. I pump from a tank to a two-wheel tank to the irrigation. Yes, my viewers. So it go when it comes to farming, we have to put in the work. You know what I mean? Alright, my viewers, I'm going to show you the tank and the two-wheel tank, yeah? How them pump the water from that tank to the two-wheel tank and then to the irrigation. Yeah man, yes my viewers, you don't know. Anyway, stick and stay my viewers. I will be right back. Alright my viewers, going to show you guys what's going on. We're pumping from a tank to a two-wheel tank. Yeah man. So the water thing set up, you know. So when the rain fall, yeah, as you can see the zinc tap go into the tank, yeah. So the water from this tank pump into this two-wheel tank. That's the way how the plant them get green and thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Then now, this tank and the two-wheel drive to the irrigation. This man is the man that in control here. Yes man.
Everything.
How you mean man?
It's me.
Alright. Yes my viewers, this is the pump. You don't know.
Our equipment is me control.
Alright, sir. Alright, my viewers, you don't know. There's a.
See farmer there? Farmer lives in the stand.
Yeah.
Yeah. See farmer there?
Yeah man, farmer living style man. What you mean man?
Yeah. I'm a manager VP.
Alright sir.
Everything from the wheels, our engine.
You is in control.
Yeah.
Alright, my viewers. Show you how the water line set up. So I'm going to go back and show you now how it connect back to the irrigation to water the plants. Yes, my viewers. So it's set up, you know, you can't go more than so, you know. Alright, you see when the tractor now, the tractor is gonna drive come here. After the tractor drive come here with the two-wheel tank, it's going to connect here. This is the irrigation hose. It's going to connect here. Yeah. And it's going to run into the irrigation pipe here and run right through the farm. You understand? Yeah, this is how the pepper them get water. Alright my viewers. So yes, it's all about farming people. Over here we have some lovely sweet pepper over here. Yeah. Just started to bear. As you can see. Yeah. Yeah, we have 1 and 2 over here. The time is so dry and trust me, and hot. The time is very dry and hot, and as you can see the plants them looking green and lovely. Trust me, there's a lot of work I have to put out to make the farm look this way, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yes my viewers, you don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Because if you don't do so, you're not going to see these green peppers, you know what I mean? Yeah man, and if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. You know? So stick and stay, because there's a lot to come. I have a little piece of, there's a little patch of cabbage over here. Yeah, because on this farm, everything is on this farm. Yeah, just started to fold. Yeah. Yeah man, just started to fold. Alright. As you can see, it's a little patch, but you don't know. Alright my viewers, over here, whoa, this is okra. everything is on irrigation. You know what I mean? The time is hot and dry, as I said before. So everything is on irrigation. Yeah, so when the rain fall, we have to give thanks because we get a lot of water from the rainfall. Alright? Yes. This is a nice patch of okra. And there's a bigger patch down at the end. I'm gonna give you a view on that. So stick and stay, my viewers. It's all about farming. That's the reason why I said plant something. But this is like more than plant something, you know what I mean? Yeah, this is like plant everything. You understand? Just love to see these peppers, man. Love to see them pepper. Make I give you in a Jamaican terms. Me love to see them pepper. And them start blossoming on my viewers. Them start to blossom. Yeah, them start to blossom. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Straightforward. Straightforward, aya. Love to see them pepper, aya. Yeah, man. Love to see them pepper, alright. Going to give you guys a touch of the okra. There's a bigger patch of okra down there. I'm going to give you a nice touch of it. But the tractor is coming now to connect to the irrigation. So I'm going to show you that. Alright. Stick and stay. Clear the hose out of the way. Yes, my viewers. This is the routine. Yeah, this is why the plant is so beautiful and green, you know what I mean? Because these guys put in the work, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. What's the connection now? This is the connection, my viewers. Yeah. Yeah, man. This man is the engineer for the farm, you know what I mean? Yeah? Yeah. Yes, I am. Yes, Ayas. Alright. So the pump is gonna pump it to the irrigation now. So everything is gonna get water, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yes, Ayas. Give it a start. Make it run. Alright. You hear that, my viewers? So you don't know. Everything is getting water. The hose is getting stiff. Yeah? Yeah? Whoa! Hose is getting stiff, my viewers. Yeah, man. Water in a line. Water in a line. Yes, my viewers. Water in a line. Everything is getting water from this end here. Alright? Everything is getting water. Beautiful. So every entrance of them won't lock off. So if you don't want to give this line any water, we can turn it off from here. You can hear the water rushing through the line. Yeah? And you can feel the vibration of the water. Yes, my viewers, it's all about farming, you know what I mean? Yes, I. Alright, as you can see, we have the drip in here. Everyone is getting their own drip. You know what I mean? Yeah? Yes, I am. That is it, my viewers. Yes, alright, my viewers, stick and stay. I'm going next to the okra. Alright, stick and stay. Yes, my viewers, me as a man, we love my fish, you know, because I don't eat meat. So it's all about all type of fish. But me love my mullet fish, my fat mullet fish. So when I say fish, it's all about okra. Stick and stay. Pepper was plant here, but lately changed out to replant. All right. Here is all the okra. Yeah, this is the okra farm of yours. Beautiful. Just started. just started to bear. Whoa, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful, my viewers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 my viewers. Yes, it's all about okra. All around here is okra, okra. Yes, my viewers. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Look here. Whoa. Yes, I have to come and buy some of this okra when it reaches to the time for harvesting. You know what I mean? Yes. Yes. We have okra here too, you know. We have big okra here. You know what I mean? Yeah. Looking wonderful, don't it, my people? My God, this is beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Plant something. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. I love this. This is what me love, you know. If I have a farm to go on every day, I would be good. You know what I mean? I would be smiling all day. Whoa, whoa. My God. This is the okra farm of yours. Here is a melon, is a root of a melon. Whoa! We have melon also here. What a fruitful farm. We have melon also here. Whoa! Whoa, I love this. I love this plantation. I love this plantation, man. This plantation, man. Yeah, a stick of everything is here. Yeah? Whoa. Yes, I love this plantation, brother. Yeah, man, so Jamaica, I go through and if you see a little root of grass, him dry it out. That's the best way to do it, you know? Yeah. My God. Yeah, I miss it. Yeah, man. Yeah, just start push out, I miss it.
Tomorrow, I will try to go through and take off inside.
Oh, yeah, it's a bigger one. Come see some big one, you know?
Yeah, so you say you're going to take off them here?
Yeah.
It's the next week when you come. Like Monday morning, them are carrot.
Okay, yeah, them growth.
Yeah, man, okra grow fast.
Yeah, man, me know okra grow fast, man. When you have okra, you know, every other day you have to pick okra, you know?
So,
yeah.
take them off.
Yeah, man.
Tomorrow I come through.
So when everything start to grow up now on one height, that is the time when you can, you know?
Yeah.
Time to sell okra.
If I only start big, you have to call it every other day.
Every other day you have to into it.
You have to pick.
Yeah, man, for real, man. For real. For real. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yeah, have to plant something.
You keep the tree them, so you have to spray them.
Okay, yeah.
That's
Oh.
why I'm and pick it up. I'm going to spray them regular.
Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah.
Get rid of all the insect them and so forth.
When you need to start picking up,
No spraying.
no spray.
Yeah, man, me understand.
No spray.
Yeah.
You can't spray things like that.
True, man, true. But you spray them now to get rid of the insect.
So after they start picking all them little bottom leaf and them something about start drying.
Yeah.
Then you come through and pick up the tree them.
Yeah, for real.
The tree them, when them get tall and this man, you go come back and go.
My God, man, and then they go beer.
Yeah, then go quick.
Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya, look here, my people. My God. Yes, Aya. And all around here is okra. Right around here is okra. My God, beautiful, man. Yeah, man.
Okra and pepper.
Yes, for real. For real, I'm agree with the pepper and the okra.
We plant out that melon already.
Yeah, come see one melon running, so.
We plant out the melon and the melon was so beer, so good, and after that time we have the rain coming.
Oh, yeah.
It just dry down.
Yeah, man.
And the melon them never go.
Okay. Like you know, used to the style.
So them are one of you see now, I grow up, you feed them.
Yeah, okay. The see them catch back.
Yeah.
Real,
So
man.
I kill them without take care of them.
Yeah, man, leave them at them, you know?
Yeah.
The real, man. Yes, me viewers. Yes, me viewers. Trust me. Yeah, man, me see it, man. Me see it, man. Yes, me viewers. Beautiful. Eh? Like more melon did it. Whoa, beautiful, me people. Oh, then Carol, yeah.
And I will come to Thursday. I believe I Wednesday.
Yeah. What did? I love making Carol, man. pumpkin. I'm not make them carrow, man. Go through and check them. Yeah, then go carrow. What if they can pick?
Come back, you know, get no water, man. And the man tell me say bung water. I let you sit there now get no water.
Yeah, you need to bung it. And the water go done quick. Why you use bung that you know? Okay. Whoa! Beautiful. Beautiful, me viewers. Beautiful, me viewers. Whoa! Yeah, man. Pumpkin. My God, my viewers. Wow! Whoa! What's happened to this one here? Overfit? My God. Yeah. And the bus. I don't know why it bust, my viewers. Can someone tell me why this pumpkin bus? Drop it in the comment box. Yeah, why the reason it bust? It burst. Drop it in the comment box. The reason why it burst. Alright, my viewers, it just grow and then start to burst. Yeah. Wait, you have cucumber here. Yeah, cucumber. Cucumber, my viewers. Cucumber. Cucumber. Yeah. Lot of cucumber here. What's going on here? You must eat cucumber, man. Eat cucumber, we have a row of cabbage here. Whoa! This pumpkin vine is very big. Very huge, eh? Oh, yeah, sir. No. Yeah, man. Oh, God. What a pumpkin upon this pumpkin vine here. I love the vine. The vine just big. Yes, aya. The vine just big. I told her. Whoa. This is what I'm talking about. Cucumber. Cucumber. Yes, my viewers. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, my viewers. I need a farm like this with everything on it, you know. Where I can go through and, you know, yeah, pick something. If I'm going to the kitchen and going to the stove to cook a pot, I can just come and pick something, my God. This is beautiful, my viewers. This is beautiful. That is the reason why I tell you, plant something, man. Plant something, man. It's very easy to plant something, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, plant something, my viewers. Jano, place look nice. Yeah? Place look nice, my viewers. Anyway, my viewers, stick and stay. Don't go away. Alright, my viewers. These pepper tree bear and bear and bear and bear and over bear. So now, them kind of green up back again, bloom up back and started to bear again. Yeah, it's all about scotch bonnet. Yeah, scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, aya. It's all about scotch bonnet pepper, my people. This farm is a beautiful farm. You know what I mean? Yeah. Beautiful farm, trust me. You don't want to miss out on this farm here. Yes, aya. I mean, love pepper so much, you know. I love pepper so much, my viewers. I love pepper so much. Yeah. I love pepper so much going to the fire. You know what I mean? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, may I pick this one, you know? Although it's spoiled still. That's spoiled still, but you can see it, yeah? It's spoiling. Oh. But this is the yellow pepper. Very delicate. Afraid of water. You know what I mean? You can't give it too much water. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. Going going back through the scotch bonnet now. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers, this is the scotch bonnet line. Yeah, just started to bear back. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Nice, lovely, beautiful. You have some ripe one here. Yeah, them look nice, don't it? Look up on the rice and peas. Yes, my viewers, real. It's all about scotch bonnet, my viewers. It's all about scotch bonnet, alright? Okay, my viewers, stick and stay. Yes, my viewers, I'm back at the scotch bonnet pepper here that look like sweet pepper. Trust me, this is scotch bonnet. I'm gonna give you a close-up look to show you how big is the plant. You know what I mean? It really look like sweet pepper, but it is scotch bonnet pepper. Very stout, very big for scotch bonnet, don't it? Yes, my viewers, it's all about scotch bonnet. Yeah, it's all about scotch bonnet, my viewers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right ahead, scotch bonnet. Over there, the mulching plastic, it is scotch bonnet, lately planted. All right, my viewers, beautiful farm, beautiful farm. Over here, we have some sweet pepper. As you can see, just started to bear. You know what I mean? Yeah. Beautiful, 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 my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Farm looking beautiful. Yep. Yes, my viewers, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. And don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. If you don't do so, you're not going to see the next video, you know what I mean? So if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick and I'm going to be out for now. So my viewers and my subscribers, peace, one love.